Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. I'm so excited for this video today because today, yes, today we're gonna be going over, continuing going over campaigns because as you might know, I started this like a little series on my YouTube channel where I showcase the campaigns, the email campaigns for pet brands. In the last video, we've gone over the bestseller and basically everything that goes into this. Today's teachings, though, we're gonna be going over AOV bait. So basically, this campaign, the prism of it is to just check out, to boost up your AOV and increase it, and basically convert your subscribers into buyers, first-time buyers, and potentially later down the line convert them into the paid subscriber, meaning that they can actually subscribe to your to your product, like almost like as a product delivery. So auto billing subscription of your product. But again, guys, you need to also keep in mind, if you're a pet brand and you sell something like bat sheets or something like something that is like not frequently can bought, like doesn't even make sense to be frequently bought, it might not work. But if you sell something like pet food, cat supplements, something like shampoos, or maybe some treats, something along those lines, it'll work. And you'll have basically potential your subscribers, but it is only for subscription. But now today we're talking just about the campaigns, and basically it applies to every pet brand, basically every brand on Shopify. But in this channel we talk about all the pet brands, and all the examples are going to be showing within the pet industry of e-commerce. So let's talk about the naming of this campaign first. It's called like free product with purchase. So the free product with purchase campaign, what does it do? So basically, it has a conversion focus on sweetening up the offer for the shopper, for the potential buyer, right? the pet owner, to pull the trigger and for them to become that first buyer of your brand, and then potentially later on, if you have a product that can be frequently bought, subscriptions. If not, then basically a first buyer, and then you can upsell them through your list. But again, if you have something that is some products, some pet products that can be frequently bought, as I said, you might upsell them some different thing, right? Or try to sell maybe a different variations of the same product. But basically, yes, this is has an intention to convert, as I said here, right, the first time buyer. Now, there's no template there's no right way or wrong way to do it, but I like the approach where you're basically pushing people to towards the AOV you want to hit. So if you want to hit, for example, AOV of $85, you tell them, hey, we give you this free product, we'll give you this thing for free if you add the product worth of over $85 or just $85 to your card. Coupon will be applied at checkout, right? Something along those lines. You can do minimal quantity. You can do specific products, right? So basically, meaning of it is that whether you want to sell some products, maybe you want to, it will be applicable if you want to sell some products. If you want to just check up your AOV, or you maybe have some products to liquidate. Some brands, some pet brands that I already know, that they have some products that are in their inventory, they're just lying there, and they would just want to get rid of them, right? They just want to sell them out. And so that's why they give this, I call it FWP, right? So free with purchase. This is basically the naming of this campaign. And so they implement this, and this stuff sells out in seconds. So, subject lines per preview text, just a little wording here. I come from the world of more of a behavioral economics, and I do not believe that there's a subject line that you should use and copy out of this list. This slide right here just gives you the intention of basically getting the gist of it, and then maybe formulating this subject line as well as preview text for your own brand. Please do not copy this, because as I said, if everybody who watches this video right now, we're gonna copy this basically subject lines, all of you guys will end up in the same place. Okay, so do not copy this thing. Just get the gist. Just get the the idea. Get inspired. Get the get your thinking right in terms of this direction. That's just what I mean by that. So some examples that might work is free. In this case, we're selling the in this case, this is Coyotes, my agency. By the way, if you have a pet brand that makes at least $200,000 a year, consider to reach out. I would strongly consider to reach out to the link down below, because we only work with pet brands and setting them up with the most strongest and the most advanced email marketing that is ever existent out there. So this is Logo, my agency. So basically, I create this email specifically for you, just specifically for this channel. It's all branded. So just a little side on that. Now, yeah. So what I wanted to say that is that in this case, as my bait, right? So if we go to the slide right here, right? It's called AOV bait. In this case, my bait is this, like a cat covered bat for cats, right? As a free, so the price of it would be $34.90. Right, I would say perceived value of it, but we're giving this for free. If people buy, let me actually pull this off a little bit more, just so you can see that. If people buy all the 4 bottles that we have this on our store, again, I don't have this store. I just put this aside, just created this template in Photoshop. Just to give you the example, because again, guys, I don't like this video when you go on YouTube, there's some like random guy tells you how everything should look in theory. I don't want to let everybody. I don't want you to watch this video, right? I want you to like literally get the gist of what this actually looks like. So again, all this email is created by me in Photoshop, pretty fast. But basically, the idea here is a free cover bat when order all 4 bottles. So if somebody goes to my store, if somebody opens this email, and if they buy, they click this button right now, button here, they go to the site right now, and they'll buy all of these 4 bottles, they'll be automatically getting this cover bat for their cats, right? Because this are, of course, all of the 4 supplements only for cats. And the way you do this, by the way, is you need the segmentation in place, because you would never even be able to do that without segmentations. And if you want to know more about segmentations, go to watch my videos. I'm gonna pop up them up right here, all the 3 or 4. I have a lot, and but basically I lay them out right here in this like a little tab pop up here, so that you can go now and watch them. But now right now, watch this video till the end, just so you get the whole gist of this email. So basically, subject lines would work like this. So again, we're selling the covered cover bed, right? So free cover bed with purchase. Again, you would insert your product that you want to give as a bait in this little parenthesis. Your favorite cover bed is now free. Grab your free cover bed. This is something that I now reuse in this particular template. Don't miss out on your cat's free cover bed. As I said, right? Cover bed is free now. Until we sell out. Don't put it off. This sells like in seconds. So if we go here, basically again, the nav bar, the logo, the free cover bat when order all these 4 bottles. So don't miss out that chance of receiving a free cover cat bat when you buy this bad boys for your 4 lakh fam. So it is a perfect time to take care of your pet's health with 4 bottles of organically formulated vitamins and cap your kitty a nice spot to leisure, right? So this is kind of copy we're gonna come up with. Call to action: how to receive your cat cover bat. Really important thing here, if you do run this promotional campaign, you do want to have this in place, right? Just to kind of like give them the step. I would also include this, the gift will be automatically added at the checkout. View all qualifying free cat cover bat and cover bat itself. Again, call to action: covered with a stylish chenille jacquard fabric available to gray and brown to match your pet style at your home decor, right? Kind of copy like this, and then of course the anchor, we want to anchor the price just so that people actually see the value. And so that's it. But just click the button, go to the website, buy all those 4 bottles that we told them to do, incentivize them to do, and then pull the trigger, get the free bet, boom, become your first customer. That's pretty much first buyer. Sorry, first buyer. That's really important. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's pretty much what everything that goes into this. And guys, in the next video, I'm gonna be talking over some. I'm gonna be like basically covering some other campaigns for pet brands that I noticed work, but this one is actually very, very good in terms of pulling your basically, you know, for somebody becoming your first buyer, as well as putting your AOV, as well as liquidating you some one of your products if you have them, you know, in your inventory, so in your at your warehouse. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. In the next video, I'm gonna be going over some other campaigns that work for pet brands, but that was in your lid. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.